What's up, students? ¿Qué más, estudiantes? El día de hoy venimos con un nuevo video y en esta ocasión vamos a ver, el video se llama Stray Kitten Picks a Dog as Her Mom. Entonces una gatita, un gatito, se eligió a una perrita como su mamá. Entonces vamos a ver ese video y también hay otro que es sobre un zorro, a fox. Ok, entonces sin más que decir, comencemos.
We got out of my house and we see this little cat.
Ok, dice, we got out of my house and we see this little cat. Salimos de nuestra casa y vimos este gatito pequeño.
And I'm like, okay, Toast, this is a baby cat, so be gentle. I thought the mom was nearby.
Ok, dice, I thought the mom was nearby. Pensé que la mamá estaba cerca.
But the cat just walked in with us. And the cat goes directly to Toast and follows her around everywhere.
Dicen, the cat goes directly to Toast. Y el gato va directamente al perro and follows her everywhere. Y le sigue a todas partes.
And was like, okay, you're my mom.
Entonces básicamente el gatito le adoptó una madre. En vez del perro adoptarle a ella, no, el gatito le adoptó a la perrita.
So I feed Toast her morning food, and the cat just goes straight into the food. She let the cat eat her food. Toasty, what do we do?
Okay, and the cat eats the dog's food. Y el gato se come la comida del perro.
And then the two just got along.
And the two just got along. Entonces los dos solo se llevaron bien.
It got so intense between them. Toast would help her get on furniture.
It got so intense between them. Se puso tan intenso entre ellos that Toast helped the cat get on the furniture. Entonces Toast ayudaba al gato a subirse a los muebles.
She would push her up the steps, take her down the steps. And then at some point I realized that the cat used to sleep in between Toast's leg and stomach.
Okay, and the cat sleeps between Toast's leg and stomach. Entonces el gato dormía entre la pierna y el estómago de la perrita.
And I saw the cat grabbing Toast and I was like, that's the movement of breastfeeding. And I called my vet and she was like, it's normal. She has what they call like a stress pregnancy.
Bueno, básicamente el gatito le considera la mamá a la perrita.
She was just like, okay, I have to take care of this tiny thing. She's quite protective.
Okay, she's quite protective, es bastante protectiva.
The kitty started getting close to the pool and Toast got up and took her from the neck and brought her back to where we were sitting. She was super anxious for the cat.
She was super anxious for the cat. Estaba tan ansiosa por el gato.
And she was super alert.
And super alert, y bien alerta. Entonces la perrita estaba como que siempre alerta del gatito. Básicamente se adoptaron mutuamente.
And they would cuddle because she was calmer when the cat was there. I've always felt that animals are super instinctive.
Okay, animals are super instinctive. Se sienten unos a otros, ¿no?
Nature is well done. Toast especially, she's so human that she really just works on emotions. She has very strong instincts. She's like a human being.
Ok, y dice que Toast, la perrita, is very human, es bien humana. Ok, y ahora vamos a ver el siguiente video.
It's so cute.
En este siguiente podemos ver ya de inicio que hay un zorro, bebé. It's so cute, es tan lindo, es tan tierno. Aunque se ve bastante maltratado el pobre.
Mummy's looking for you, I think.
Mommy's looking for you, I think. Mamá está buscándote, creo.
This is either a fox or a cat. Stuck under there.
Ok, stuck under there. Está atascado allá abajo. Entonces el zorro se atascó de alguna manera.
I don't know how he got his leg in there.
Claws. I can't believe you're actually helping a fox.
Can't believe you're actually helping a fox. No puedo creer que en serio estés ayudando a un zorro. Porque me imagino que debe existir algún tipo de temor, ¿no? Es un zorro, es un animal salvaje que podría dañar sin problemas a cualquier ser humano. Obviamente por defensa propia.
It was my daughter who filmed. She's 5 years old.
It was my daughter who filmed. Era mi hija la que estaba grabando. She is 5 years old. Tiene 5 añitos.
I just don't know how to get him out, actually.
Oh, it's in there. It's good. It's fine.
He's good. He's fine. Está bien.
It's good.
Here it is.
I want to call it Softy.
I wanna call it Softy. Quiero llamarle Softy. Soft significa suave. Entonces Softy es como suavecito.
You're gonna be okay, Softy.
I don't really want to keep him.
It's a wild fox, though, sweetheart.
I really want to keep him. En serio solo quiero quedármelo. Y la mamá le dice, it's a wild fox. Es un zorro salvaje. O sea, no hay chance.
Oh, you are so cute, aren't you?
Once I picked it up, I saw that it was really quite poorly, and when I put it down, he couldn't even move.
When I had him, cuando lo tenía, I put it down and he couldn't even move. Lo puse en el suelo y ni siquiera se podía mover el pobre.
We called some of the local wildlife rescue people.
We called some of the local wildlife rescue people. Les llamamos a la gente que se deben encargar de estos casos.
They were telling us that because of the lockdown, they didn't have as many staff.
Ok, dicen que por el encierro, me imagino por el COVID, que no tenían mucho personal y que por eso no podían asistir al zorrito.
And they wouldn't be able to get to us.
That's how he likes to sleep.
That's how he likes to sleep. Así es como le gusta dormir.
This is his first walking.
This is his first walking. Este es su primer caminar, o sea, sus primeros pasos.
He couldn't get very far at first. He'd just a few feet.
He couldn't get very far at first. No podía irse muy lejos al inicio, solo unos cuantos pies.
It is very much like that feeling of when your child takes its first steps. You're a bit shocked, but so proud.
Okay, it's like when your child is giving his first steps. Es como cuando tu hijo está dando sus primeros pasos. You're so impressed, estás tan impresionado, but at the same time you're so proud. Pero al mismo tiempo estás tan orgulloso.
We just fed him and kept him warm and clean.
We just fed him, solo lo alimentamos. Kept him warm and clean, le manteníamos caliente y limpio.
He got stronger really quickly.
He got stronger really quickly, se puso más fuerte muy rápido.
We were hoping to reunite him with his family.
We were hoping to reunite him with his family. Esperábamos reunirle de nuevo con su familia.
He's looking so much better.
He's looking so much better, se ve muchísimo mejor.
I left him out there at different times of the day and night, but his mum didn't come at that point.
Y dijo que le dejó ahí varios días, but his mom didn't come at that point. Pero su mamá no vino en esos puntos.
So this is what happens when you deprive a fox from its family.
Foxy's mum came into the garden and started just going berserk.
Ok, entonces la mamá sí llegó y destruyó todo, básicamente.
Sending us a message. And then if you come around here, even on the trampoline, they were attacking the foam on the pole. So they clearly want Foxy back.
They clearly want Foxy back. En serio quieren a Foxy de vuelta.
Trying to think about what she must have been going through to destroy so much of our stuff. We thought we've got to give them a good chance of getting back together.
Hey, little one. Oh, he's walking.
As he got his strength back, it was obvious that he wanted to get back to his fox family and away from us.
Just about to release Foxy back to his mummy.
just about to release Foxy back to his mommy. Estamos a punto de devolverle a Foxy a su familia, a su mamá.
So I'm having a last cuddle.
Entonces están dando un último abrazo.
We thought the best way to reunite them is if she can hear him calling.
And that's where we thought of this pulley system idea, where we lift the basket up when we saw Mama Fox was nearby.
That's Dave up there, at first post. She's right there.
She's right there, está justo ahí.
She'll come, she'll come.
She'll come, ella vendrá.
Come and get your baby.
Come and get your baby, ven y llévate tu bebé.
Yes, there she is. Go and get your baby. Get your baby. Get that baby.
She came into our garden only about 15 minutes after we called the kids in for bed, so she had just been waiting.
You can have him. Come on, take it. Come on. What are you doing?
It was so dark, it's difficult to see, but we were there watching. She picked him up and carried him away.
She picked him up and carried him away. Ella lo recogió y se lo llevó.
We were just elated, really, that it had worked and that Foxy was going to get a happy ending.
Okay, dicen, we hope he's doing great. Esperemos que esté bien. And he's out there being a fox. Y está allá afuera haciendo un zorro. Entonces es bastante emotivo el video, me gustó bastante y me alegra saber de que hay mucha gente buena allá afuera que rescata a estos animales, de que les ayudan y obviamente les regresan a sus hogares. Bueno, en el primero le dieron un nuevo hogar al gatito y en este caso le devolvieron a su madre al zorro. Fox. Ok, muy bien y muchas gracias por estar en este video, espero que lo hayan disfrutado y la pregunta UIC del día de hoy es: ¿cómo se dice rescatar en inglés? Ponlo aquí abajo en los comentarios y nos vemos en una siguiente ocasión. Bye bye, take care. Recuerda seguirnos en nuestras redes sociales: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter. Y recuerda aprender inglés en UIC y saca el Gringo que hay en ti.